This is for people working a 9-to-5 job and or living paycheck to paycheck and you want out. If you've ever thought, yo, I want to make money online with digital products using Systemeio, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to give you a high-level, step-by-step tutorial on how you can start selling digital products using just one tool. Now, the name of this tool is called Systemeio. And don't worry, this tool has an amazing free forever plan that you can use to get started. And in the future, you can always upgrade when you're ready to take the next steps. So if money is a big issue right now and you're not tech savvy, let alone you don't want to deal with a whole bunch of different tools to run your business, then this is why you want to use something like Systemeio. And don't worry, you'll be up and running in no time, ready to scale a full online business. So let's dive in. So some time ago, when I first got started in this business, I just went online and I bought some random ebook, took a digital marketing course, and I was like, okay, from what I learned so far, I am totally in. But what I learned early on is that your success depends on the type of support structure that you have around you. And one of the biggest parts of that support structure is just having the right tool. And that's what I discovered later on in my journey, and I found Systemeio. And once I saw that you could sign up for free and you had everything that you needed to run your digital marketing business all in one place, I was totally sold. I mean, it was basically zero risk. So whether or not you're just beginning or you've dibbled and dabbled in this business for a little while now, I'm almost sure that this tool could really help you. So why Systemeio? The reason I'm so obsessed with Systemeio is because basically it has everything that you need all in one spot. It has websites, email marketing, sales funnels, all the bells and whistles. Plus, they've also added some cool new features like the digital product store, which allows you to create something like a stand store and also a sales pipeline. So for selling digital products, this is the master of all tools. Plus, it has that free plan that you can use to get started with. And when I say free, Systemeio is 100% free. Now, it does have some limitations, but you could still get started selling your digital products and making money right now. Basically, what I'm saying is that the free plan is basically a no-brainer for you to get started. So you're going to be able to test the waters without dropping a dime, which is basically super awesome if you're not ready to commit to anything yet. And the cool thing is, when your business grows, then Systemeio can grow with you. And that's when you can upgrade the more features to make that money and start selling more of your digital products. But just a quick heads up, I've got some really cool free sources and freebies down in the YouTube description below that can help you get started like right now. Step 1. First, you have to nail down a simple product idea. Now, you're going to need a digital product to sell, but don't overthink it. Just think of something that's helpful, that's easy to make, and doesn't require a ton of expertise. Now, this could be a printable planner, an ebook, a mini course, or a checklist. Just make sure that whatever you pick is actually something that you're good at. And if you're not good at designing, don't worry, Canva is going to be your best friend. Just use one of the templates inside their free plan, or if you're already a pro member, you can use those as well. But if you're still like Ronnie, I'm just super busy and I don't have time, I just want to get started with something that's super simple. What you can do is just simply snag my digital income starter kit. Not only will you be able to learn from it, but you can also get 100% of the rights to resell it as your own. And in doing so, you're going to be able to collect 100% of the profits. I've also got done for you emails, templates, and ebooks all in the YouTube description below. And just in case you're a little unsure, here's a sneak peek of the digital income starter kit. It basically has everything that I used when I first was beginning to get started selling digital products. And it is so helpful and so simple, broken down in step-by-step processes. And I really put all the information that I wish I had when I first started selling digital products into the digital income starter kit. Step 2 is set up your Systemeio account. So next, you've just got to create your free Systemeio account. All you have to do is just go down below this video in the description and or the comment section to where you can get started with Systemeio for absolutely free. Once you've done that, then this is where all the magic happens. Inside your account, go straight to websites and sales funnels, and this is where you're going to build out your entire sales funnel. And then this is the page where you're going to be able to set up your digital products, create and edit anything you want inside of your sales pages. You'll also be able to do email campaigns and sell your digital products as well, all all within System.io. You're also going to need to connect a payment processor so that you can receive payments. System.io partners with a ton of payment gateways that you can use. Payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and even Paystack. Step 3. Building a killer landing page. This is where people will land when they want to check out your product. System.io has an amazing drag and drop sales page builder, which means that any and everyone can build a landing page really fast without having to know any coding or having any skill sets with website design. All you have to do is add your product images, catchy headline, and a clear call to action that says something like get instant access or download now. Just make sure you make it crystal clear on what they're getting and why they need it. Some other great things that you can have on your landing pages are things like testimonials, videos, frequent asked questions, and even pain points. But for your first ever landing page, it's just best to keep it simple and just go from there. The last thing you want to do is overwhelm yourself and just spend hours and hours and hours building your landing page. Now, if you like a one-click install funnel that you can use to sell your digital product or maybe even sell my digital income starter kit, I've also got a resource for that as well. And you know how to get it. All you got to do is go down in the YouTube description. Step 4. Set up email automations for passive sales. This is where you're going to set up an email sequence that's going to automatically deliver your digital products. So when someone buys your digital product, System.io is going to automatically send them an email, which is going to make this whole process super smooth and simple. So while you're eating, watching TV, or just out with your friends, System.io is going to be making its money and doing the process for you. I recommend that you keep the email delivery system very simple as well. And by simple, I mean all you have to do is just thank the customer for buying your digital product. Make sure you include the link for them to download the digital product, and that's it. Now, as far as adding the link to download in your email, I would just use a storage system like Dropbox or Google Drive for you to get a share link once you upload it into those softwares, and then just hyperlink that share link in the email. And to show you how this works, I'm inside of one of my sales funnels right now in System.io. And in this funnel step, which is the order form, if we go to the automation rules, you'll see these things will start happening based off the customer. So if we look at this one right here, whenever I make a sale off my digital product, it's going to trigger this new sale automation rule. And what happens, what I want to happen when this gets triggered, is going to automatically send them this email right here. And just to show you the inside of this email, if I click this, it's going to take me to the campaign where I can look inside of it. And then as you can see, they're going to get access to this digital product. And all I did was just hyperlink this text. So really, this is only the beginning of selling digital products with System.io. There's actually so much more that you can actually automate, which is really, really cool. And if you had to do any of this manually, you would never be able to leave your computer and you couldn't scale. So using automation selling digital products is very, very and extremely valuable. Step 5. Launch and drive traffic. Now let's just be real and honest. Just setting this whole process up isn't going to be enough. You're going to have to learn how to drive traffic to your digital products. And learning how to leverage free traffic is the absolute best way to start. And that's why I highly recommend you check out this video popping up on your screen. Because when you pair what you just learned in this video or what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Till then, stay blessed.